With the ShipConstructor 2022 R2 release, several enhancements have been introduced to provide solutions for project management and analysis, including updates to the project item list or PIL, performance enhancements for class checking, and feature updates within ShipExplorer. ShipExplorer has proven to be an effective and important tool not only for team collaboration, but for data analysis as well. And within ShipExplorer provides the ability to quickly import project data sets with a click of a button. This release introduces the Create All Sets function, which allows end users to quickly generate all available set lists for the project, including search sets, product hierarchy sets, task sets, and compartment sets. In addition, when importing SSI extended properties, the major part type property has now been included, as well as the assembly property for all associated product hierarchies for any given part within the project model. The ability to export, import, and update equipment and pipe parts, including both modeled and non-modeled stocks, is a key component in the transition from functional to detailed design. Feature enhancements to the project item list or PIL include updates that make importing and exporting data much more efficient, options to now define unique identifiers from source datasets, as well as the ability to define UDA comparator values for easier part associations. The ability to easily import and export these datasets, combined with the sorting functionality now specified from within the project, means that the tedious, time-consuming process of comparing part information between source and project data is now virtually instantaneous. With the enhancements to the PIL import and exporting functionality, data formatting is now optimized to allow that information to be exported, reviewed, updated, modified, and then re-imported into the project, removing the need to perform this formatting manually. Often, the need arises to modify pipe spools comprised of multiple fittings into single bent pipe sections to increase efficiencies or as a cost-saving measure. With improvements to the ShipConstructor pipe merge to bent command, the modified fittings that then make up the bent pipe section retain the original spool designation, thereby preserving the naming conventions and making the pipe merging process that much more efficient, especially when performing this action on multiple spools. And finally, ShipConstructor class checking has been greatly optimized and now provides much faster global class checks. These performance improvements are especially evident on large projects using part views and space allocations, and in some test cases have dramatically reduced processing times from hours to minutes. With these ongoing user-driven improvements, the ShipConstructor 2022 R2 release provides for a more efficient workflow for a wide range of project management and collaborative tools. Learn more about this release and all features by visiting SSI Nexus today.